This tutorial is for first grade, Module 6, Lesson 11. In this lesson, we're going to use pictures to help us add multiples of 10 to other two-digit numbers. My first problem shows 54 plus 20. You can see by the first picture that I have 5 groups of 10, or 50, and then 4 ones for 54. To that, I will add 2 groups of 10, or 20. Now, when we combine these, you can picture this using the sticks. The combination will be now 7 groups of 10, and I will still have my 4 ones. That means that 54 plus 20 is 74. The only thing that's changing here is the number of tens I have. I went from 5 tens to 7 tens, and I still have 4 ones. So 54 plus 20 equals 74. In the next problem, I'll count my tens. I have 5 groups of 10 and 4 ones again. So I'm going to start with the number 54. To that, I'll add 4 groups of 10, or 40. If we picture this as combining both pictures, you can now see that we have 9 groups of 10, and we still have 4 ones. That tells me that 54 plus 40 equals 94. 5 groups of 10 plus 4 groups of 10 plus 4 ones gives me 94 in all. Here's a new problem. I'm going to start with 3 groups of 10 and 8 ones. So that would be the number 38. I have 3 groups of 10 and 8 ones. To that, I'll add 5 groups of 10, or 50. If we picture this as combining everything, you would now have 8 groups of 10, or 80, plus the 8 ones. That gives me a total of 88. So 38 plus 50 equals 88. And in this problem, I'm going to start with 1 group of 10 and 9 ones. That would give me the number 19. To that, I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 groups of 10. So I have 8 sticks here, and they each have 10 cubes. So to that, I'll add 80. And if you picture us combining these two pictures, you're now given 9 groups of 10, and we still have our 9 ones. That means 19 plus 80 equals 99. In the next section, we have the same type of problem, except we're just given the numbers and we're told to solve it anyway. So I'll show you a couple of different ways we could solve these. We're starting with 47 plus 40. So I can think of that as 4 groups of 10 plus another 4 groups of 10, which would give me 8 groups of 10, and then I still have 7 ones. And I don't have any ones in this number. So 47 plus 40 would be 87, because only the number of tens I have is changing. I'll solve it the same way over here. I have 57, which is 5 groups of 10, plus 7 ones. I'm going to add 30, or 3 groups of 10 to that. So I went from 5 groups of 10 to 3 more groups of 10, which would give me 8 groups of 10 plus the 7 ones, for a total of 87. 57 plus 30 equals 87. I could also solve these using number bonds. I'm going to break the 35 into 30 and 5. Now I can combine my tens. I have 30 plus 30, which equals 60, and 5 more is 65. I'll do the same thing for this problem. Here I have 35. I'll break it into 30 and 5. Now I'll combine my tens. I have 30 plus 50, which is 80, and 5 more is 85. So 35 plus 50 equals 85. So there's a variety of ways that we can solve these problems using just numbers and mental math. And ultimately, we want the students to choose the strategy that works best for them.